Next, we have a comb over. So there we've got that silent B again. Comb over, comb over. So this is a hairstyle in which long strands of the hair from the side of the head are swept over to the other side of the head. So can you see here how the hair is much longer at the top, okay? But you can also see that all the long hair is kind of swept to the one side, okay? We can see it goes to the one side. That's when we call it a comb over. My husband loves to do his hair, not quite like these pictures, but he does a different kind of comb over. Remember, these are the basic names for the hairstyles, but there are different variations of these hairstyles as well. So just keep that in mind. So here we can see we've got the comb over where you take all the long hair and you move it to one side. Okay, looks like it's been swept that way. All right, comb over. I like the comb over. I think it's a nice hairstyle for men.